Hello everybody, welcome to this Instoried review. Today I'm going to be telling you everything that you need to know about Instoried. As always, before the video starts, if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'm happy to answer them, and I will also be leaving a discount link in the description so that you can always get your money's worth for Instoried. So here we are on one of the pages. Now this is different to some of the other websites out there in the sense that instead of it opening a main dashboard, you have three different sections. You've got the developer dashboard, you have the content generation tool, and then you've got the analysis page, three of which we're going to be going through. The developer portal is very, very simple to actually get started with. All it gives you is a client ID and a client secret, which allows you to create applications and create bots or really whatever you want for integration. All you would need to do is copy each of these and paste this into your code. Very, very simple. Not much needs to be said on that. The dashboard is very, very self-explanatory. But if we move over to the analysis page, we're going to start with this. So on the left, we have an option to switch to a content generation tool, which we've actually just got open in a separate tab. And this obviously allows us to switch to the content analysis, but we're going to do it in individual tabs. Down here, we have our document homepage, and this allows us to view all of the documents or stories that we've got. So if I go ahead and click on this one that I've actually already created, as you can see, the title, it gives you a predetermined title here. And then it says this document is regarding a review video. So as you can see, this is where it gives us our headline, and then we can input the actual text below that. Now, as you can see, the AI analysis is where it will analyze exactly what you've done. It will give us some tones. As you can see, it's mostly positive, but neutral tone is very, very prominent in this. And this will scan for words that are negative. This will scan for words that are positive, and the amount of them, that's basically how it will work. And under panel analysis, you're able to essentially invite people to review your document. As you can see, you can do that here, and you can do it with individual perspectives from many, many different people, and you can create a new panel with this button here. And then you can obviously start with the title, what is the intent of the panel, shareability, value proposition, and then your actual question. So you're able to also, under the AI analysis page, view the certain aspects of your actual piece. So as you can see, there's an option for headline, tone, emotion, plagiarism, and corrections. So if I was to go to plagiarism, and what this will allow us to do is have a little look at anything that I've plagiarized. So I've gone to Wikipedia and gone to today's brand new sort of the daily article. And as you can see, it's given me one on a high school in America. And what this has allowed me to do is once this has been posted in, I can view, as you can see, it's found the reference links for the bit that I've copied off Wikipedia, as you can see. So this is what the plagiarism does. It will give you alerts as to which bit of your actual text. As you can see, this sentence here has completely been plagiarized, and then line 3 has also been plagiarized. It hasn't recommended or sort of said that line 1 is, probably because that's quite a simple one, but the second sentence is definitely something that not another individual would write in their own words, so that's obviously been spotted. Under emotion, you can see whether the piece has joy, anger, fear, sadness, or surprise, and then you also have corrections, which allows you to view anything that it thinks you might need to change, or mistakes and stuff like that. So really, really, really useful. So that's it for the analysis page. It's very, very self-explanatory. You're able to obviously use your panel and your AI. So panel is more collaborative or cooperative, and then AI is also using the inbuilt one to find the headline, tone, emotion, plagiarism, and corrections of your piece. So very, very simple. Now moving on to content generation, these are all the different templates that you've got. We're not going to go into every single one of them, but what this allows you to do is generate content or generate a description or anything for whatever you want. So you could paraphrase something that you want to say, you could create a description for a brand, you could even do a resignation email. So, but for this, because this is something that everyone's very, very familiar with, we're going to do a YouTube video description. So if I call the project title, say, how to toast some bread. If we do the project title of that, the video title will be how to toast some bread, like that. The keywords will obviously be food, cooking, bread, whatever you want, and then the tone will be friendly. And if I hit generate now, what this will do is it will use its AI to generate me a description for a video on how to toast some bread, as you can see. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be toasting some bread. It's super easy and makes for a great snack, plus it's perfect when you're in a hurry because it only makes a few minutes, so check it out and enjoy some tasty toasted bread. Really good. It gives you a amount of characters, allows you to save it, discard it, copy it, or even open it in the editor, so you can basically edit what they've already given you. But I think this is a really cool way, and there's many things that you want. This one is a bit more instructive. It says what you'll need and then what you need to do after that, follow the steps, and you have perfectly toasted bread in no time. So really handy, and going back, you can do this with all of these. I think this is a superb way of making content, original content generation, about whatever you need. Really handy. Obviously, at the top, you have all of your different categories. So whether you want it to be e-commerce, marketing, or copywriting to sort of sync them, or you can just view by all. And then under Save Projects, you can simply view the projects that you've got. So as you can see, mine is How to Toast Some Bread. And then you also have your settings menu. This is universal. As you can see under this, it gives you your full name and your email. It gives you all the security details, such as password. You can manage your subscription. You can manage all your users. And you can also redeem a coupon or view your transaction history, along with contacting support. So this is basically Instoried. Really useful. So now it begs the question, do I recommend Instoried? And the answer is definitely yes. I think the way that it uses AI to generate content is incredible. I think it's really good. The way that it does it is so seamless. It requires a very humane interaction. You don't need to sort of format it in such a way that you almost speak like a robot to get your information. You can write it fluidly like you would talk to somebody, and I think that's really useful. I really like the analysis tool, the plagiarism detector. I think that's brilliant if you're a teacher or a student or anything that you want to check your work. It basically is completely universal in the sense that who can do what, and I really like that, so I definitely recommend this. But thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.